Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center, here to talk to you today about Noco's line of Genius Smart Multi-Purpose Battery Chargers. Noco has a vast assortment of battery chargers from 3/4 amp all the way up to 26 amp and offering a voltage range from 6 volts all the way up to 24 volts. These chargers are ultra safe and they're designed to charge and maintain all battery sizes. These chargers protect against sparks, reverse polarity, overcharging, overcurrent, open circuits, short circuits, and overheating. Not only are these chargers safe, they make charging your battery carefree. Some features of these smart chargers include a smart memory system, which remembers the last selected mode upon restart. So whether you're charging the same vehicle or if you have a brief power outage, it won't switch modes on you. These chargers will charge a fully drained battery up to 2 times faster, and they will keep your battery fully charged indefinitely without overcharging. They stabilize internal battery chemistry for increased performance and life. These smart chargers help your battery recover quickly by sending a high voltage pulse charge when a low voltage sulfation or lost capacity is detected. A charge indicator lets you know how far along your battery charge is, from 25% to 50% to 75% up to 100%. The rugged design resists against dirt, water, UV light, and also light impact. And these also have some crush resistance, so these chargers can take a beating and they'll still keep working. You can use the Noco Genius chargers on ATVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, RVs, cars, trucks, and more. Stay in charge of your battery's power with Noco battery chargers, available at JB's Power Center and at jbspowercenter.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here, and if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.